welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about why you should keep on posting on YouTube even if you're getting very low views. Now, there are several reasons and I have 3 of them here on my notes. This is like a freestyle video. I'm just speaking really off the top of my head, but I did put a few points down on my notes just to keep organized because sometimes I tend to ramble a lot. Now, this video is for you if, like me, you're trying to grow your YouTube channel because you're trying to really just maximize your potential, which is what this channel is all about. So you might be out there, you're a creative, a content creator, or maybe you're a business person and you really want to start building an audience on YouTube, but you're getting very low views. Now, I've been there, trust me. If you go back and look at my videos on my channel, some of the videos there have really discouraging numbers, right? And sometimes I have been tempted really to stop. And it's funny because there was a time when it looked like my channel was picking up. I did a couple of videos that went viral relatively, right? Not so viral, but relative compared to my other videos. And so my channel looked like it was going this way. And then all of a sudden, it just flatlined and even dropped. And guess what? I even lost followers. I lost watch time. So I was this close to being monetized. I had about 3,500 watch hours. And then some of the videos that went viral or did very well, all of a sudden they dropped out of that 365-day window where you should have up to 4,000 watch hours. And I lost all those watch hours and my watch hours dropped back to below 2,000 now. That was really discouraging, but I haven't stopped and I haven't quit. And I'm sharing this because I really feel inspired today to keep going and keep pressing. And I just want to reach out to anybody out there who maybe you just started a YouTube channel or you've had it for a couple of years and the numbers are looking really poor. You really wish that your numbers would be up. I just want to encourage you with this video that you shouldn't stop posting even though your views are very low. And I'm also talking from experience. Now, the first reason is that everyone goes through days of little beginnings. There is nobody who is achieving anything that is viral or legendary or amazing right now that didn't have those days of little beginnings, right? In other words, days where the results are really poor. And to illustrate the point, if for instance you decide you want to start going to the gym to sculpt your body, get that V shape or big arms, you're never going to see results on day 1. Go and ask anybody who gyms or who looks good, who has a great physique, male or female, and ask them how long have they been doing this, and I can bet you that they will tell you that they didn't start yesterday. So they probably went through days and weeks and months of not seeing any results. Like I said, speaking from experience, I've been there myself. I can't remember how many times I've told myself, now it's time to go to that gym and get that summer body. But after a while, I just quit and give up because I feel like I'm not seeing results. So it's important that we do not give up. You don't stop producing those videos. You don't stop posting, even if the views are low, because it's a process. It's part of the journey. So if you know that this period of low growth, low views is part of the journey, then you're going to stick with it because it can't be any other way. Very rarely will you see somebody who does one video and hits 1,000, 1 million views. Sometimes it happens, but it's very rare. Most people go through that growth phase, and that growth phase is very slow and sometimes very discouraging. So that's one reason why you should keep going and don't stop posting. Don't despise the days of little beginnings. Nothing good starts suddenly. Everything builds up slowly. A child doesn't come out of the womb and start running. A child starts by, first of all, lying down in one spot for a long time, getting his bearings, trying to understand the world around it. And then gradually it rolls over to the tummy, plays a little bit on the tummy, and then gets the courage to start crawling, and from crawling to standing and standing to walking. And that's just the way the story goes. So if you stop now because you're getting low views, how are you going to grow your channel? You're going to sabotage your growth and sabotage yourself. So I'm not stopping. You shouldn't stop either. Now, the second reason is that every day you show up, you're growing and you're getting better. And for me, that's even one amazing reason to keep going. In fact, that's been the major reason why I have kept going, which is that every time I produce a video on my channel, I'm improving in something, either video editing, scripting, talking to the camera, posting, understanding how YouTube works. Every day I'm learning something, and I can only do that if I don't stop posting. So if you really want to grow and get better, if personal growth is one of your objectives, then you can't stop posting. You can't quit because the numbers are low. you have to keep going. That's just the way it is. You just have to understand that the benefits of a YouTube channel are not tied only to the views. The benefits of a YouTube channel is not tied only to the number of views or number of subscribers. The benefits of YouTube, if you're a serious YouTuber, goes far beyond that. You learn how to speak confidently to the camera every day. You keep improving. You learn how to edit. You learn how to script. You learn how to develop good hooks and intros. You learn from your mistakes. You learn from other people. It's a wonderful place to be, honestly. And if you haven't started a YouTube channel yet, I encourage you to start today, even if for nothing, just to improve yourself, just to see what you can do, just to maximize your potential. And that's what this channel is always all about. Be more, do more, have more. I talk about everything around maximizing your potential. And this is one of the topics we're talking about today. Now, I'll just jump straight to the last reason. The last reason is that if you stop because you have low numbers or low views, that means you started for the wrong reason. So this is related to the previous point. If your aim of starting your YouTube channel is because you want to see 100,000, 2,000, 3,000 views on your videos every time you drop, then you started for the wrong reason. There must be something else that you're trying to pass across. There must be some value you're trying to add. So every day I post and I see low numbers, it helps me to remember why I started my channel. The reason why I started my channel was to add value, was to bless somebody out there, to encourage somebody, to inspire somebody out there. I feel like I have just one life to live and I'm a light. I have the light of God inside of me, and while I'm alive, I need to let that light shine. And one of the ways I'm doing that is putting out my creative expressions on YouTube, so that one day when I'm long gone, somebody stumbles across my channel and say, wow, this person inspired me while he was here. And I'm not saying it's just only when I die that my value or the value of the things I do will show. Even when I'm alive, I want to see people watching my videos and saying, yes, this video made sense. This video inspired me to start something. And I've been getting that kind of feedback every now and then, and it's really encouraging. So if you start your YouTube channel and you're getting low views and you feel like stopping because it seems like nothing is happening, just remember that it's an opportunity for you to think about your why. Why did you start this channel? What difference do you want to make? What impact do you really want to make? How do you want to really help people? So benefits of YouTube, the first point is that that's just the way the journey is. It's a slow process. You start small and then you grow big. The second point is that it benefits you because you're improving every day. And the third point is that it benefits other people, and that should be your why. Your why is to help other people one way or the other, whether it's to entertain them, make them laugh, help teach them a skill, or just draw their attention to something interesting. Maybe invite them on your adventures because you want to inspire people to see the world. Whatever it is, let your why be the main reason why you keep going and don't stop. So I hope this video was helpful, and I hope it encouraged you to not stop posting even if your views are low. It's also a message to me. My videos in the last few weeks have been so-so. I've not been really getting good views, but I'm not discouraged. I'll keep going because I know that for the 3 reasons I mentioned in this video, I need to keep going. I hope that inspired you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video real soon.